welcome back.
She throws me off every time she says that, and I don't know what to say. Yeah, so welcome back. Today you're going to have Layla and myself doing a quick little video. We may or may not see the other child. We've currently had a fight because we only have one not a real mower made because Layla's is still in the making in the shed. We're just going to do a quick mow, and if we stumble across something else to do for this video, we'll do it. Hollywood did call us last time after our last video, so we know you've been waiting for us to take it over again. Now, Dylan did ask me to adjust the height of cut. Now, I can't remember if he said clockwise or anti-clockwise. Can you?
I don't know.
Should we just go anti-clockwise to be different? Yeah?
Maybe message you.
Well, I'm using my phone.
Oh, yeah.
1, I think that was about 2.
3.
Now, I reckon I haven't turned it anti-clockwise enough, so I might just give it another couple of turns and see how we go. Alright. Yeah. When you done it, you must have turned it the wrong way, Layla. What are we going to do?
I done that.
Oh. Shall we take a moment to admire our Aggies? Our Agapanthers, Lola?
I think that would pull out the most.
Yeah, that one is a good one. Well, I do have to laugh. As you've probably picked up by now, Dylan asked me to do this and he said do 1 or 2 turns anti-clockwise. I can't actually remember what I did, and it didn't look like enough when I first started. Alright, I'm a bit nervous now because I can't remember what I need my height of cut at and how many turns I'd up doing, because I didn't think it was doing anything, so I turned it more. Okay, I had moments where I was pretty worried I had done it a bit low, where I may have, I don't know, but it's not as, oh, along there I did. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, so that's the main thing. Alrighty, it's the next day. I did film this last night after I'd done the rest of the filming, but I forgot to turn the microphone on. So I'm just going to quickly do it again. Yeah. So if you can keep up with all these videos, you're doing bloody good, because this is going to be the most pieced together video you're probably going to find, because I've filmed bits over a few days, changed what I'm doing, whatnot. So I'm going to start with a back lawn today, so I don't confuse myself with the turns and then accidentally scalp this lawn, because we don't want to scalp this lawn. All right, I'll get into it. All right, that's the back lawn quickly mowed. I'm gonna just quickly water a few bits by hand, because last time when Dylan got home from work, he mentioned about, like, you could tell I hadn't watered the lawn, where I definitely did water it, but it looks a bit dry through there. So I might just water a few spots and then go continue on with the front lawn again. Wish me luck. Mate, she is looking mint. I'd have to say that is my best mow yet. You can probably start hiring me soon, I reckon. All right, so I've spoken to Dylan and he did want it lower. So I'm gonna quickly smash that out now and see how we go. See how many turns I can put it down this time. I think I've done about 5 turns. Now, I might do the same old as Dylan, not touch closest to the house, because that just takes forever to fill in. I'm doing this so stational. Let's say all. Should we just do 5 minutes? Try not to get wet. So, I'm getting wet. And burning my feet. As you'll see, I've taken a fair bit back. Once again, don't know how far he meant. Pretty happy with it. Fair bit come off actually. Anyways, that is a wrap. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a joke at first. I did know I had to turn it anti-clockwise. Well, that is officially a wrap this time. I'm not doing any more till Dylan gets home. Then it's all his. As mentioned, I've done it again today because I have spoken to Dylan and he said, no, scalp it. But in my mind, scalp means what we did the other week. All right. I'd love to get Dylan 1,000 subs by Christmas. We'll see how we go though, hey? If you are liking our content, please feel free to like and subscribe, and cheers, legends.
Legends! Cheers, legends!
Okay, no.
Yeah, cheers!